How to set nickname in WhatsApp chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In WhatsApp, click on the chat where you want to set nickname. Then, at the top, click on their name. After you click on their name, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find these options. Click on Edit. After you click on Edit, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, simply click on first name at the top and change their name. After you're done changing their name, press on Save at the bottom. After you've clicked on Save, their nickname has been set. This is how to set nickname in WhatsApp chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.